We are looking at a drawing of black and white piano keys that looks just like part of a piano. You can see those 2 black key groups and those 3 black key groups. Now there is a set of lines above those piano keys. There are 5 lines with spaces in between each of them. We have seen those before too. They are called music staff lines. And now we have our treble clef sitting on those lines and spaces. So now this is called the treble staff. Those 2 gray brackets are showing us 1 2 black key group next to a 3 black key group, what we call a 5 black key group. I am going to talk about 2 of those keys. And here is a little quarter note. It is a very special note because it is right below those treble staff lines. Since there is no line for that note, it has its own little line drawn right where there would be another line. That little line is called a ledger line, and that special note is called middle C. It sounds like this. So when you play on a real piano, you need to find the correct C when you see this note. Oh, now I see a little right-hand pointer. Those of you who have used pretend finger colors know that our right-hand thumb is finger 1, and we pretend that thumb is blue. This is that C key. I will be asking you to play that middle C with your blue finger 1. I just played that middle C key. Now you play it too. Look and listen very carefully so you are playing the correct key. Now there is another note on those treble staff lines and spaces, and it is in the bottom space, in between that bottom line and the line next above that bottom line, line 2. That note is the first F up from the middle C. It is next to the first black key of the 3 black key group. Middle C snuggles to the left of the 2 black key group, and now this F key snuggles to the left of the 3 black key group. You notice that I made the arrow brown, so I want you to play this key with your right hand, brown finger 4. I just played that F on my keyboard. Now you play it if you have a keyboard. Again, look carefully and listen. Does it sound just like my F key? Is your right hand brown finger 4 on a key that looks just like the one with the brown arrow and number 4 on it? Good. Here's another quarter note. I think I have already seen this one. It is in that space between lines 1 and 2. That same F. I just played it again. Now you play it again too. Good. Another note. We have seen this one too. Go ahead and play it. I just played it too. As always, look and listen. When you see a note on those staff lines, it really helps if you not only know immediately which key it is, but also know what it should sound like. Another note. We know this one too. Another F. Go ahead and play that key with your right hand brown finger 4. Now the red arrow is pointing to middle C again. Play that middle C now. What note is this? Correct. That F again. Play the F. Remember, right hand, brown finger 4. The F again. Play the F with brown finger 4. Now we are going to play middle C, F, middle C, F, middle C, F. So your fingers 1 and 4 get used to going to the correct keys. When the arrow points to the note, play the key. I will wait for just a second or two, then also play my key and show the key in the down position, so you will hear the sound and see the correct key. You ready? Let's go. Play these notes back and forth until your hand can do it easily. Hand and fingers just going where they're supposed to go without your even having to think about it. Be patient with that hand and those two fingers. Bye-bye.